Okay, this particular video is for people that normally experience cobwebs on the road, maybe expressway. When you are passing, suddenly you will notice cobweb crossing on your face, and sometimes you might notice that somebody just passed. That is, you are following somebody behind, and that person that passed before you didn't experience something like that, but you follow the person up to pass, you experience a cobweb crossing your face. Sometimes it will cross your face, sometimes it will cross your chest, sometimes it will even cross your legs. Now let me tell you something. It's not all the time that you experience that cobweb that is actually a bad thing. Most of them are not bad. Most of them are actually good. Okay, I'm going to explain, because I know so many people might want to hear that part of that one that is not bad, the part that is good. There are some cobwebs that is there to pass a message to you. That is its connection. For example, let me take for example, there are some cobweb that will cross you for you to maybe not continue where you are going to. Maybe there is something that is of no good for you that is before you, or that you are going to meet in the front. So that cobweb is there to pass a message for you. Now, you will bear me witness that each time you experience this cobweb, you will start feeling somehow. You understand? There are some people that when they experience this kind of cobweb, what they do is they turn back home. Exactly. I'm going to tell you what you will do to overcome that cobweb of a thing. Now, the ones that are good, there are some that your deity from your paternal side or your maternal side is using to pass a message across to you. Now, it's now left for you to examine yourself. The way you feel when the bad one happen to you might not actually be the same way you will feel when the good ones happen to you. So this particular one is left for you to understand yourself and study it, for you to know which particular one happens to you at a particular point in time. So it is not all cobwebs that cross you that are bad. Some are actually there to pass a message to you or across to you. Now, for those ones that are bad, I'm going to give you a simple tip that you can actually use to overcome it. Anytime you are going somewhere and you experience cobweb on the road, express road, do yourself good to turn back immediately. That if you are able to cancel wherever you are going to at that particular time, just turn back immediately. But if you are not able to cancel it, what you will do is take some steps backwards, you understand, before you continue where you are going to. Okay, now I'm going to give you another side of it. It is always good for you that each time you experience this kind of thing, it's always good for you to try and find out which one it is. Because all these cobwebs are actually negative energies, some of them that are bad. I'm not talking about even the ones that are good. Try to find out the particular entity that is trying to send that message across to you, whether good or bad. It will help you to actually find a lasting solution to that issue of cobwebs. If you love what I do here, the kind of message I pass here, do well to give me a thumb up, and also come along with your friends and family. We are going to be doing a lot on this particular space. I still remain your one and only Adandibo and Adandibo Lifestyles. Thank you.